The Curtiss-Wright R-1820 Cyclone was a powerful 9-cylinder radial engine that played a pivotal role in aviation history. Its 1,823 cubic inch displacement, combined with features like overhead valves and often a supercharger, allowed it to produce an impressive 1,000 to over 1,500 horsepower, depending on the variant. This robust design made it a reliable workhorse for a wide range of aircraft. The R-1820 powered some of the most iconic aircraft of its time, including the Douglas DC-3, which revolutionized commercial air travel, the Boeing B-17 Flying Fortress, a key bomber in World War II, and the Sikorsky S-42 Flying Boat, a luxurious transoceanic airliner. Its widespread use and proven reliability cemented its place as a crucial engine in the development of both commercial and military aviation. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.